Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial, we will know a trick of importing parts in assembly. For that, first of all, I create a part. I select part, select OK. I select top plane, sketch, normal. I draw a rectangle, center rectangle. Right click, select option, select smart dimension. This side 100 mm and this side also 100 mm. Select OK. Come back from the sketch. Features, extruded boss plus feature. Extrude it up to 20 mm. Direction, select midplane, select OK. Now save this part, select file, save. I save this part at desktop, name P1, select save. Now go to file, new, select assembly, select OK. For importing part, we select browse option and the location of part. This part I select this part P1 and select open. For importing this part in assembly, I will click anywhere in assembly and this part will be imported at that position. But I am not doing this. I am simply click here OK. By using this trick, the origin of the part automatically mates with the origin of assembly. For that, select visibility and select view origin. Now select this part, make it float. I move this part. Now see here, the both origins were at same points. By this method, these both origins will be at same position. You can save your time for applying mates for setting the position of first part in assembly. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe ExplainCAD.